In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Viber on multiple devices. If you've ever wanted to access your Viber chats from more than one device, like your phone and your computer or tablet, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go through the overall process step by step so you understand not just what to tap, but why each step matters. First, make sure Viber is fully set up and working on your main smartphone. This phone is your primary device, and it's where your account is actually registered to your phone number. Open Viber on that phone. Check that you can see your chats and confirm you're connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. This is important because every additional device you add will need to verify through that main phone. Next, go to the secondary device where you want to use Viber as well. This could be a Windows or Mac computer, or another device that supports Viber, such as a tablet. Open the App Store or the official Viber website and download the Viber app appropriate for that device. Once the download is complete, install and open the app. When Viber launches on your secondary device, it will ask you to get started. You'll be prompted to enter the same phone number that you're already using with Viber on your primary phone. Type in that number carefully and continue. At this point, Viber will not create a new account. Instead, it's going to link this device to your existing account. You'll now see a prompt to confirm the connection using your primary phone. Usually, Viber either sends a verification code or shows a QR code on your new device that you need to scan with your primary phone. Follow the on-screen instructions exactly as they appear. If you're scanning a QR code, open Viber on your main phone. Go to the menu. Choose the option to scan a QR code and point the camera at the code displayed on your new device's screen. After a few moments, your new device will sync with your existing account. You should see your chat list appear, and you'll be able to send and receive messages from both devices. Keep in mind that your primary phone needs to stay active and occasionally connected so everything stays in sync. From here, you can repeat the same process for other supported devices. Just remember, always start with a working Viber setup on your main phone. Then add each new device by verifying through that phone.